Assalamualaikum guys. So we're gonna look at the 14th problem of the 2020 Western Province paper. So guys, what they have actually asked is, if A is equal to 2 0 minus 1 1 and B is equal to 1 3, find the matrix AB. Find the matrix AB. So guys, AB. What do you mean by AB? It's the multiplication between the matrix A and B. Students, to multiply a matrix, you have to note the order of the matrix. What do you mean by the order of the matrix? Order means the number of rows. So how many rows are there? There are 2 rows. 2. How many columns are here? There are 2 columns. So it's a 2 by 2 matrix. So order of the column, order of the matrix A is going to be 2 into 2. So you also need to consider for B, you need to consider the rows and column, and you can mark the order of the matrix. So it has 2 rows, look at this, 1, 2, and you have 1 column. So it's a 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, so you have 2 rows and 1 column. So it's a 2 by 1 matrix. So there's A into B. So now first of all let's check whether you can multiply A and B. To check whether A and B can be multiplied or not, you have to look at the 2 matrix. So look at the matrix here. It has been, it's been ended with 2, and where it ends, the other matrix must start for you to multiply. I mean, here it's ending with 2. So it's starting with 2. So these two matrices can be multiplied. I mean, A into B can be solved. So yes, can you multiply B with A? I mean B into A. Can you find B into A? No. You can't do this. You can't do this because the number of columns and the number of rows in the second guy must be the same. So here it's 1. It's ending with 1, and here it's starting with 2. So they are not matching up. So you can't multiply B with A, but you can multiply A and B. So guys, how to multiply A and B? So guys, A and B, you can write this as 2 0 minus 1 1, and this should be multiplied with 1 3. So guys, first row must be multiplied with the first column. So guys, first row should be multiplied with first column. So how are you going to multiply that? 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3. So the order is very important. Then guys, you look at the first row, and do you have a second column? You don't have it. So you move on to the second row. Second row should be multiplied with the first column. So second row into first column is going to be minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 3. So guys, if you simplify this, your final matrix will be 2 into 1 is going to be 2, 0 into 3 is going to be 0. So it's going to be 2 plus 0. Here it's going to be minus 1 plus 1 into 3 is going to be 3. So this is going to be 2. 2 plus 0 is going to be 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is going to be 2. So your matrix will be 2 and 2. And the order of the matrix is going to be a 2 by 1 matrix. You have 2 rows and 1 column. So as these are, you do these kinds of problems. Thank you very much, students.